Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a long time, but yeah, sorry. But if you're still rocking with your girl, welcome back. So in this video, I'm just gonna take you guys through me renovating my dining room. And we're starting with this beautiful chandelier light fixture I got from Lowe's. Yeah, so I'll leave all the information to this down below. Look at it, bejeweled. Isn't it pretty? I absolutely love it. Yeah, those the information. And look, this is it hanging in the dining room. Now moving on to some touch-up painting. So I am going to be putting up a chair rail, building a table, and just doing the whole nine. So yeah, here I'm just taking this paint, and it is a light gray. Most people think my walls are white when they come into my house, but it's a light gray, very neutral. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go around the room and do some touch-up painting, and then hubby and I are gonna get started on installing the chair rails ourselves. And here he is getting ready to cut the corners and all that jazzy stuff while I'm still doing some touch-up painting over there on the side. I went to work and came home, and my husband and his friend had already did the install on the chair rails. Pleasantly surprised, but yeah, I missed all that good footage. So I just went ahead and taped it off so I can go in and do some touch-up painting around it. And I also have to fill in quite a bit of holes because they use a staple nail gun. So yeah, as you can see, I'm pointing out the little holes I have to fill in and touch up paint where the rail meets the wall. So I just took some of the paint, the touch-up paint that I had, and put in a little cup that I cut the top off and used an old paintbrush. And I'm just gonna go around the room, and as you can see there, with the paint, the wall and the tape meets, I'm just gonna go around the entire room. Yeah, so this room is not 100% done, but I'm going to show you guys where I'm at thus far. I'm just taking my time, enjoying being a homeowner, which is a huge accomplishment for a lot of homeowners. And there's nothing like being able to put your own personal touch on your home. And I'm just going room by room, just one at a time. As far as I've gotten thus far. Not completely done, and you'll see that at the end, but I'm in no rush like to do my whole house at one time and to be done for what, to impress who, don't know. I'm just enjoying my blessing one day at a time, and I'm moving at my own pace. So if you come to my house and it's like half done and you don't like it, well, that's on you, boo-boo. I'm not in a rush. Touch-up painting. And I also, as you can see, I don't think you'll see it, but I also painted the baseboards. And I had to also paint the chair rails, I'm not mistaken. And these are some panels that I'm going to install Okay, so I am beginning to take the panels out the packages, and now I'm just trying to measure out exactly how far apart I want all of them. Not sure. And I finished painting the top, but now I'm going to paint the chair rail because it's not as white. As you can see, that little strip I put there, I want it like white. And also you can see that the panels are whiter than the chair rails, and yeah, it looks a little tacky, a little off, so I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, so here I taped off the bottom of the chair rail, and as you can see, it's still wet, and I still have to finish that little piece there and the other side, but I want them to match. And here, this took us from construction, but I do like DIY and doing things on my own. So I did these to the best of my ability. A little tedious, but I think they came out great and added a nice touch to the dining room. So I just went ahead and did those, and voila, there they are. They're so nice. I'm proud of myself. Yes, I'm patting myself on the back. Your girl did that all by herself. I think they look nice. Really do. I love the way they turned out. So here is what everything looks like. Not completely done, but yeah, close enough. We're almost there. This is the painting that I did. I did a dirty pour on a canvas and then framed it. Put up some little decor on the wall. Hung some curtains, mirrors, and all that jazzy stuff. We still have to take up the carpet and put down the hardwood floors and all that stuff like that, but it's coming along just nicely. I'll do a part 2 once everything is completely done, but so far I'm liking it. My husband built me a console that goes on the side. I also want to put in a little bar area, and yeah, check out this table my baby built. Totally awesome. I wanted this table from Pier 1, but we opted to build it ourselves. Wood was only $18, and I think it came out awesome. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And always be thankful for what you have. Don't feel rushed in life. Do you, boo. Love y'all. Bye.